Hi all, it's Dr. Jardin here, and today I want to recommend my two favorite free statistics programs. So I've been teaching stats for behavioral science now for 5 or 6 years, and basically I'm always asked, what's the best route to go after? Because a lot of times in classes and in college they'll give you a program like SPSS or SAS, and it costs a lot of money to get that license. And once you graduate, great, you learned a program that you could use. But if the job you have doesn't allow that, doesn't pay for that license, you're kind of stuck. And some of the programs that I teach and that I recommend are free, so you can add value to your company wherever you go because you can bring that with you and you don't have to charge the company money to use software. So my favorite one for basic statistics, the kind of stuff you would look at, the descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, is Jamobi. And then for data science, machine learning is the Anaconda distribution using Python. So really quickly, let me show you what Jamobi is all about and what it looks like. So it's a quick, easy download, and once you're here, you bring in the data. It looks a lot like SPSS, and you can do a lot of functions really quickly. It's really powerful. So for instance, you can just grab the descriptive statistics of different variables pretty quickly and pretty easily just by dragging in. Other things you can do t-tests, any kind of ANOVA under the sun you want, regressions. You can look at obviously like different correlations and stuff. So for instance, you can throw all of these data in here. This is a free data set that I found on Kaggle that I'll show in just a little bit. But quickly and easily, you can do all of this stuff, and highly recommended, very easy to use. You can do factor analyses, pretty much anything under the sun. Jamobi can help you with. Next thing I'd like to recommend is the Anaconda distribution for Python. So in data science, if you're into kind of like the computer science side of things, and if you're interested in learning about coding, the Anaconda distribution kind of just gives you everything you need all in one. So with the Anaconda distribution, you get this huge navigator that can give you pretty much all of these things you need. What I use the most, I use Jupyter Notebooks. And what Jupyter Notebooks is it provides you using HTML location to do your Python and a web page. And it's really nice and easy to use. And basically, you just type in your code, bring in the data, and it calculates for you using the web page. And if you're interested in learning a little bit more about how to use Jamobi and how to use Python, I have two playlists showing how to use each of these. These are the ones that I recommend. I know that there's plenty of other ones, like instead of Jamobi, you could use JASP or Stato. Those are some others. And instead of using Python, R statistics is also pretty popular. But these are the ones I recommend, and I hope you enjoy. Have a great day.